Hey, computer geeks, what's up? Hey, it's Mr. Wright again. And hey, last day I won't be there. Next class period, you'll see me. Promise. So this is block 4. So I'm going to be a little specific. I'll actually get to talk to block 8 tomorrow because I will be here. Hey, and come by and see me tomorrow. I may be a little tired because I'm flying in today, but come see me. Say hi. We're going to have fun in class. So, real quick, what you're going to do today is you're going to sign into your Google Classroom. Okay. I'm thinking you've probably already done this a couple times. So here's what I want you to do. Go ahead and I want you to write this down. This is your code for block 4 computer exploration, quarter 1. So make sure you write that down and log into your Google Classroom today because there's going to be a lot for you to do there. Okay, a lot. We're going to get into the nitty gritty of things today. So you got a lot to do, but it should be fun. And we're going to really get started. We're going to get started on your portfolio page, your website, so that you can have some places to post some cool stuff. And then we're going to finish up with a few things from last class period. Okay. So, hope your week's going good. Let's go ahead. Hopefully, everybody's copied this down. If not, Miss Benders has it, or you can just watch this video. Whatever. So, let me close that out. Let me go to your stream real quick and show you what I want you to do. So today, I want you to go over this Spark. We're going to go over this next class period. Going to do a little bit of discussion and stuff on computer exploration. So I do want you to answer this question. And then I want you to go and get into this acceptable use policy. This is basically what you did at the end of class last period or beginning of class. It's your acceptable use, how you think you should use your computer in class. And I want you to type a couple of these in here. I'm pretty confident you've already talked about those. You shared a little bit. So I each want you to type one of these in here. Cool thing is everybody's going to be working on this at once. So you have to be pretty respectful of each other as you do this. Make sure that you aren't deleting people's stuff. You're not typing over. You might want to go down a little bit and start typing. And then next class period, we'll finish this up to get a good acceptable use policy on how we want to use or how we should use our computers in class. Not only computer exploration, but all of them, really. All right. So once you get those two things done, and do mark this one completed when you're done. That's a big thing. I want you to mark them completed so I know that you're done. Okay? This is my view. It's a little different than yours. The last thing, the one thing I want to talk to you about before I get into today's assignment is your syllabus. You're going to be opening this. Oops, wrong view. You're going to be opening up this syllabus, and basically it's what I went over last class period. I know I didn't do a great job on that one. I was a little tired when I did that video, so but I want you to go over this. This is your syllabus, and it's basically talking about the things we're going to be doing, the things you need to bring, how you're going to be assessed, and then how you should demonstrate the values, how you should be acting during class. Basically go over this with your parents and show them your Google Classroom site so that you know that they know what Google Classroom looks like. And then go ahead and have your mommy and daddy put your first and last name, and then have them put your first and last name on there. And if they really need to tell me something special about you, they can type that in there, okay? And then have them submit it. It's real simple. Go ahead and do that, and then when you're done, come back to this computer syllabus and open the assignment up and mark it done. I want to see 100%. I mean, I'm going to be so jazzed if I get 100% of everybody turning this in. It's going to be cool, okay? So everybody do it. The other thing, and I haven't finished this up yet, is your web page modification. This one is an assignment where you're going to be starting your web page in Google Sites. Now, there's some help here. This is the older version. I want you to use the older version, okay? And so when you open up this document here will tell you how to do everything. It's a step-by-step. I've got screenshots. It should be pretty easy for you to go ahead and get things done for your web design assignment, okay? Your web page, your portfolio, as it were. Now, please follow all this directions. Do you love that phone going off in the background? Sorry, guys. Yeah. Okay. Hopefully it'll go off and just, there we go. All right. Sorry, guys. What I need you to do is I want you to go through this. The big thing is when you create this, I want you to create a classic site. Okay. This right here. Click on that. Okay. And then follow the groups and then follow the directions after that. Okay. The reason I want you to do a classic site is because this really gets you to understand how a website is designed and some things like that. We'll work on the new sites easier or later. It's easier, quicker to use, but I want you to first do the initial one on your classic sites because it'll really get you to understand how these websites, how you can modify those things, okay? Go ahead and follow these directions. They're pretty self-explanatory. You're going to basically make the basic page. We're not going to add any bells and whistles to it. It's going to look pretty ugly at first. But I want you to get the basics done, and then I'm going to show you next class period how to jazz it up and make it look really cool. All right? Now, the thing I want you to do is I want you to make sure you follow these areas right here. Paragraph 1, 2, and 3. Okay? And if you get far enough, you could do the paragraph 4, which is after you make a new page for your computer exploration page. I'll be pretty impressed if you get that far. Okay? But these paragraph 1, 2, and 3 I want you to do. That'll be on your main home page. So go ahead and get those done. The one thing I want you to make sure you do on this one is when you add, it does ask you to add a picture. When you add a picture, make sure that you add a picture that is appropriate. If you want to take one on your computer, do that. If not, you can bring one from home. Okay? Well, I'm going to let you get started. Ms. Bendris is going to take over from here and get you started. If you've got questions, this really isn't due till next class period, so if you've got a lot of questions and need some help, I'll be there next class period to help, okay? So, take care, computer geeks. Peace out. See you later.